Okay, you guys. So I just purchased this Nature's Fury NutriDrink, and it is the peach mango kind, and it's actually pretty darn good. Like, it's not too sweet. Um, it doesn't taste vitamin-y at all, if that is even a word. But it's great. Like, when I tell you it's good, it's good. Can you see it? And I actually got this one at the dollar store. I really want to buy the case, but it is excellent, you guys. Excellent. So you should try it. For anybody that's out there trying to watch what they eat, lose weight, whatever. I'm sure too much of anything isn't good for you, but this is great. It's great. Can you see it? And it's caffeine free. It's hard for me to find caffeine free anything. I don't drink caffeine. And here is the back of the bottle as far as the nutritional facts. But great drink. You should buy.